I absolutely love pizza. I mean, who doesn't, right?
Absolutely.
Exactly. Now, today I want to learn how to make pizza.
And what better place to learn how to make pizza than Naples itself, where they invented pizza.
Absolutely. So, today we are at the San Carlo Pizzeria here in downtown Naples, and they're going to show us the secrets of making Neapolitan style pizza.
And no pineapples.
Oh, yes, there are going to be pineapples, I promise you. All right, so here we are. They sat us down, and now we are about to get ready making pizza. Now, in true Italian style, the first thing they ask it before 11 o'clock in the morning, would you like a glass of wine? Well, I'm sure it's 5 o'clock somewhere, but I want to be able to do a good job for you for making this pizza, so I'm going to hold off for the wine until the end.
Voila. How do I look?
Here we go. All set.
Yes, you're ready for making pizza.
I am ready for making some pizza today.
And here I have my flour, my water, and yeast and salt ready to make my pizza. How's your dough look like?
It's working.
So you told me 4 tricks that I always have to do. First of all, you have to do it by hand, not by machine. Second, you have to fold it inside out like this and continuous folding till it become nice and smooth and absorb all the water. So this is the movement. Fold it, fold it, fold it, and add water little by little. And when it's sticky, keep folding and comes together like a charm.
So apparently I killed my dough, but let's see, maybe I can save it.
Well, this is the end result after kneading and kneading and kneading. Now, clearly you cannot use this one because it has to rise at least 24 hours, even better 48. But they're gonna give us another pizza dough and we can start baking our own pizza. So, how's your pizza coming?
It's coming. It's coming. It's still alive.
Now we're gonna roll our own pizza and make the sauce and put it in the oven.
Hopefully I'm going to do a good job because, they didn't really like what I did the first time.
And no pineapples.
Do you have pineapples? No pineapples?
No.
Yes.
Cool.
That's my
That-
pizza. Okay. And here's my pizza. Not bad for the first shot. Give me a like on this video if you think this is a good pizza.
And this is mine. And now we eat. And now the moment of truth. How's the pizza? Let's try it. Some chili oil. This is a pizza.
Now, if you want to know more about making pizza at home, maybe like they make here in Naples, check the link in the description below. We've left you both a recipe as well as a link to actually do this very same tour if you come to Naples. Thank you so much for watching. It's been so much fun. We'll see you in our next video.